What if the very rituals you believe are healing you are quietly hollowing you out? Not because caring for your body is wrong, but because somewhere between the facial appointments, the Botox, and the perfectly painted nails, something ancient in you stopped being heard. The sages didn't warn against beauty. They warned against something far more subtle. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna tells Arjuna, "The soul is neither born nor does it die." This wasn't just metaphysics, it was a mirror. When we obsess over the vessel, we forget the river flowing inside it. The body is the boat, but most of us spend our entire lives polishing the wood while the water, our inner life, grows still and stagnant beneath us. The Buddhist teacher Ajahn Chah once said, "If you let go a little, you will have a little peace. If you let go completely, you will have complete peace." He wasn't speaking against bathing or beauty. He was pointing at attachment, the quiet belief that if we just fix this one thing, we will finally feel whole. That belief is the trap, and it resets itself every single morning. Here is the first lesson. There is nothing wrong with caring for your appearance. The danger lives in the why. When self-care becomes a response to anxiety, a way to feel in control when life feels chaotic, it stops being nourishment. It becomes armor. And armor, worn long enough, becomes a prison you mistake for protection. The second lesson. The rotation never ends. One appointment leads to another. One improvement reveals the next flaw. The ancient Stoics called this pleonexia, the insatiable hunger for more. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Confine yourself to the present. Not the next appointment. Not the next version of your face. The present self as she is right now is already enough." The third lesson is perhaps the most tender. We live in a world that profits from your insecurity. Every industry built around appearance needs you to believe you are unfinished. But a seed does not apologize for not yet being a tree. Growth is natural. Manufactured urgency is not. There is a difference between blooming and being sold the idea that you haven't bloomed yet. The fourth lesson. Real self-care is invisible. It happens in the quiet, in the 10 minutes you sit without your phone, in the meal you cook slowly, in the boundary you finally hold. These rituals leave no receipt, no before and after photo, but they change the quality of light inside you. And that light is what people actually feel when they're near you. Here is the turning point, the one that changes everything. You cannot glow your way to self-worth. No treatment, no routine, no rotation of appointments can fill a space that was never meant to be filled from the outside. The ancient sages weren't against beauty. They were protecting you from spending your one precious life searching for yourself in a mirror. Today, try this. Before your next self-care ritual, pause for 60 seconds and ask honestly, am I doing this from love or from fear? Love says, I deserve to feel good. Fear says, I am not enough yet. You don't need to cancel anything. Just notice. Awareness alone begins to shift the relationship from compulsion to genuine care. The river doesn't rush to look beautiful. It simply flows, and in its flowing, everything around it comes alive. You were not born to be a project. You were born to be a presence. Care for your body with the same tenderness you'd offer a dear friend, not to fix her, but because she is already worthy of love. Subscribe to LifeVeda for daily wisdom that transforms your life.